bought new bags, his empty bags, and it was fun. It was a joke.
ኢትዮጵያውያኖች ዋሽተዋል እንጂ ኢትዮጵያ አልሄደም።
Can I
አራት
can I
ነጥብ
finish? Hold
እንድታውቁ
on.
ነው።
They already know that. They already know that. I came back in 2 weeks. I was taking a break. I took a break, but I
No,
went home.
you lied. Everybody
And I-
knows you. They told
No,
you went to
brother,
Ethiopia.
listen.
ኢትዮጵያ አልሄደም ውሸቱን እንደሆነ
I
እንድታውቁ።
can't go to Ethiopia because Dr. Abiy Ahmed would have me hanged for standing for Tigray people, standing for Oromo people, and now standing for Amhara
you,
people. The
Captain.
only reason, hold on, the only reason you went to Ethiopia because right when you get to Ethiopia, you know what he did? He started supporting Dr. Abiy Ahmed. Like he started like literally he went as Fano, came back as Onek Shenne. That's what happened when Yoni went to Ethiopia. He was Fano. He was Orthodox Fano. When he came back, he came Pentecostal Fano. I mean Pentecostal Onek Shenne, and that's what happened. And that's why a lot of people